Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are here in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner, planning for the week of September 1st through the 27th. I use this planner as my work slash social media slash all the things that bring in money planner. I am going to use another mini kit from I Love My Planner Shop like I did several weeks ago. This one I think is called London or I Love London. I'll link the store down below as always. I thought it looked kind of cute for fall, and the blue added into it makes it go with the blue in the page. There's yellow under here. I did cover that up because, why? Because I didn't like it. That's why. In any case, I added these little boxes here that I'm going to use as bullet points, and I printed a few more. I think these were in the kit, but I doubled them and printed a few more of them. So let's get started. So I think the first thing I want to do is cut this into smaller strips to use as washi tape. So let me grab this. How big do we want them to be? I think I want pretty skinny. What is it, 1.4. So cut it in half, it would be 0.7, but I feel like that's still a little thick for this planner. Let's do 1/2 centimeter, and then I'll have one that is almost that size. I just got this slice tool. I used it in my videos earlier in the week. I'm still sort of figuring it out and getting used to it, so nothing is working right. So basically it feels just the same as when I was using the X-Acto knife and couldn't cut anything. That has a brand new blade on it. I could pull that out and get a very good cut, but so I only went through the page on one, and it wasn't even the last one that I did. So maybe I'm getting the hang of it. I don't know. Probably not. All right. So where do we want to put some washi? So I think I'm going to alternate it. So let's see if I can peel this up now. Whoops. Sort of. So let's put some here. How long is this? Which way am I gonna, so it doesn't go the whole way. So I think it'll come out from the center. So we're gonna put some there, and oh, okay. So on, wait a minute, I have to turn this the right way. Not that it really matters because I'm cutting right through the middle, but okay, and then we'll do Saturday and down here and maybe up here. We'll see. We'll see. Whoops. See what we think. I didn't really think I liked the addition of the blue in this kit. I know that it's because of the blue in the flag, but I don't know, it didn't scream London to me. And it still doesn't, to be honest with you, but I thought it would be a cute kit anyway. Okay, so I do think I need some up there. So let's grab this one. I don't think it's going to cover the 2020, but nope, perfect. All right, that is a good start. Now, I'm going to use this and layer it with one of these. Like this one. Okay, and then I'm going to put this here, I think. Well, not I think, I'm putting it there. And this one, just like so. I'm going to put that box, maybe not. Well, maybe, but straight. That's probably still crooked. Put that there. And think about where I want these other boxes to go. We'll do this one down here. And then I'm going to wait on the other one to see. Actually, kind of liked that better over here. Maybe I'll put it over there. Okay, whoops. Oh, I ripped some of the washi. But it's got such a busy pattern that you can't really see that it came off on there. Let's do this on Sunday instead. Let's see if I can trim this and clean it up. Whoops. Okay, that's a bit better, a little bit tidier. All right, let's think about this. Over here, I think I'm gonna use one of these. Put it there to mark the Etsy release, and then I will use this here, maybe. Yeah, that'll do. And that's, I can write my video for that date in there. I don't know why I printed the Hello Weekend. I rarely use that, so I'm not sure what I had intended that for. I don't have anything to go down here. Like normally I like to use a quote or something, big box down there, but there isn't really much. And I'm sort of thinking that I might do a combo. Let's see what we can create here. Okay, that's a bit different, but I like it because I can write a couple of different things in these boxes, like notes as I think of them, like ideas, to-do lists, even all of that stuff. So I think I'm gonna leave, I like that actually. I need something here. I'm thinking another box. And some bullet points. But maybe it should be, no, I'm gonna leave that like that for now. Wednesday, I'm gonna grab a box like this. And maybe like that. Oh, it's almost... I'm going to take this one back. And I think I'm going to replace it with one of these boxes. But possibly not like right in the... Is there an up or down to these? Yeah. Okay, I think that's a bit better. That is crooked, but I don't even care. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna put some bullet points down and then see where we get. I also have, there are these ones here, which I could use as well, but I tend to like bullet points a little bit better. So what do we need more of? I feel like we need more of this yellow, maybe. Okay. Ooh. Move them in a bit. Okay, and then I think maybe some more of the black too. For some reason, and I don't know what it is, but I feel like I might have to, maybe I just need to change a cartridge or something. I feel like my inkjet printer is printing black with like a hint of red to it. And I know that probably sounds nuts, but I swear that's what's happening. I'm not gonna put a bullet point up here. I think down here I will use one of these just because I don't have anything else on the day. And I may come back and add something on the day. Maybe I should use this. Should you? Why not? And maybe a bullet point. So maybe a yellow one or two. Okay, here I think we'll do some red. Oh, maybe on Saturday. Let's do this. Let's add the other checklist. Okay, and then black. Black/red. Something here, probably red ones. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. I am happy with how this looks, and I think it will be just fine for next week. All right, there you go, my finished Skinny Classic Happy Planner spread for the week of September 21st. Kit by I Love My Planner Shop. Link will be down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.